made sure that all the subpopulations have been supported in whichever way with information.
Their diversity.
Yes, in their diversity, because if we were to leave them out when we talk about issues of HIV, we might actually face a resurgence of new infections later on in life. Because when she's talking about children, but now I'm talking about adults, these LGBTQ people, some of them are bisexual. It's not that they would have relations with their own sex. You know, you will find a man having relations with other men, but also having sexual relations with the females as well. So we need not to talk about their sexual orientation, but safer sexual practices when it comes to issues of preventing the further spread of HIV. Yeah, so that's what we really emphasize on issues of preventing the further spread of new HIV infections. In terms of how, then you know which type of sex you have or you practice in your privacy. So, but we say whatever you do in your privacy, whatever sexual orientation you practice, do it safe and make sure that you don't expose yourself to HIV infection or spreading HIV infection. That is, if you're already HIV